France Air Force reveals rare Russian military aircraft during NATO ballistic mission. France Air and Space Force has revealed details of a rare Russian military aircraft spotted during a recent NATO ballistic air policing development. The aircraft were highlighted in a social media post among the France forces latest rotation in the ballistic region.